Hi, in this video, I'll show you when there's an error on PDF preview. So you click on the document and it says the file you're attempting to preview could harm your computer. Let me show you a way to fix this. First, you can go on the PDF, right click, then go on properties, and you can click where it says unblock. Take it, apply, and OK. As you can see, it now shows in preview. But let's say you want to change for future documents. Here's the way you can do it. Just go on your Windows icon, right click, click on run, type in regedit, click on OK. Under here, make sure you go under where it says current user. Under current user, look for software. Under software, look for Microsoft. Here it is. Under Microsoft, look for Windows. There it is. Under Windows, look for current version. Under current version, look for policies. Here it is. When your policies, click on it and then right click and say new T32 and make sure you type in this. Save zone information. Once you do this, change the value, double click on it and change the value to 1 and OK. And you're done.